Your next shower might be powered by last week's forgotten trash. This ingenious process transforms what most see as worthless waste into functional homemade soap bars. The journey begins with careful scavenging, yielding discarded animal fats like beef tallow or pork lard, alongside used vegetable oils, often destined for the drain. A single family might collect 10 pounds of suitable grease in just a few weeks, enough to produce dozens of bars. Another crucial component is wood ash from hardwoods, providing the essential lye substitute when filtered correctly. One needs approximately 2 pounds of clean ash for every 5 gallons of rainwater to create a strong enough solution. This vital liquid then undergoes a fascinating alchemy when combined with the collected fats. The mixture is slowly heated to a consistent temperature, usually around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, maintained for several hours, sometimes up to 5, until a thick trace forms. This transformation converts the raw ingredients into actual soap molecules and glycerin, a natural moisturizer. No special chemicals are bought, just repurposed elements from daily life, reducing waste by a significant margin. Imagine saving $20 a month on store-bought soap, simply by utilizing items that would otherwise end up in a landfill. Over a year, that is a saving of $240, a substantial sum for many households. The finished soap is then poured into molds, often recycled plastic containers, allowed to cure for 6 to 8 weeks. During this period, excess water evaporates and the soap hardens, becoming milder and longer lasting. Each batch can yield 30 or even 40 individual bars, potentially lasting a small family for 6 months or more. This sustainable approach helps reduce plastic bottle consumption by over 100 bottles per year for an average household. It is a powerful statement against disposable culture, proving that ingenuity and resourcefulness can turn mundane refuse into valuable everyday necessities. The environmental impact is immediate, diverting hundreds of pounds of organic waste and potential pollutants from landfills annually. This ancient craft, revitalized for modern times, offers not only a practical product, but also a deep connection to sustainable living principles, saving money, reducing environmental footprint, and fostering self-sufficiency. One recycled bar at a time. Every single ingredient plays its part, from the smallest speck of ash to the largest chunk of fat, ensuring nothing truly goes to waste in this amazing cycle of repurposing. This method has been practiced for hundreds of years, a testament to its effectiveness and simplicity, requiring minimal specialized tools, just common household items and a bit of patience. The initial investment is practically zero, making it accessible to almost anyone seeking to live more sustainably and economically. One batch can be made in a single afternoon, with the curing being the longest part, a passive waiting game. The satisfaction of using your own handmade product from something once considered trash is immense, a true testament to human ingenuity. Your next bath could literally emerge from what you tossed away yesterday. This homemade soap-making process redefines our concept of trash, transforming discarded items into essential daily cleaning products. Imagine converting 10 pounds of common cooking grease, like beef tallow or pork lard, and used vegetable oils into dozens of functional soap bars, potentially saving your household over $240 annually on store-bought alternatives. This resourceful transformation begins by carefully creating a powerful lye substitute derived from wood ash, a crucial component requiring 2 pounds of clean hardwood ash for every 5 gallons of collected rainwater to achieve needed strength. This ash solution is meticulously filtered, producing a clear, potent liquid ready to react with fats and oils, The essential alchemy of ash and grease involves precise, slow heating, where the mixture gradually reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit and must be consistently held there for several hours, sometimes up to 5 long hours, ensuring complete saponification. During this sustained thermal period, raw fats, oils, and lye solution chemically bond at a molecular level, converting into actual soap molecules and releasing natural glycerin, a beneficial humectant that moisturizes skin. No special store-bought chemicals or expensive additives are involved, just simple repurposed elements found around home, making this a truly sustainable and economically viable method for anyone. The resulting thick paste, known as trace, is skillfully poured into various molds, often simple repurposed plastic containers or old milk cartons, further reducing plastic waste by over 100 bottles per family each year, a clear positive environmental impact. These nascent soap bars then undergo a vital curing period lasting between 6 and 8 weeks, allowing excess water content to completely evaporate, enabling the soap to harden significantly, becoming much milder and far longer lasting for daily washing. Each successful batch consistently yields between 30 and 40 individual soap bars, a substantial supply often sufficient for 6 months or even more, for an average 4-person household, drastically cutting frequent grocery store trips. This ancient technique, practiced for hundreds of years, continues to offer immense environmental benefits, actively diverting hundreds of pounds of organic waste and potential pollutants from overcrowded landfills annually. The initial financial investment for this self-sufficient method is practically zero, as almost all required materials are either easily scavenged or readily available within a typical home. Making one full batch usually takes a single afternoon of active work, approximately 4 hours, with the extended 6-week curing time being a mostly passive waiting game. The profound satisfaction of using a product crafted entirely from repurposed items is immense, a true testament to human resourcefulness, ingenuity, and a commitment to waste reduction. This method drastically cuts household expenses, removing at least $20 a month from typical grocery bills solely for soap purchases, a significant cumulative saving. This approach further empowers families to reduce their overall carbon footprint by producing less demand for factory-made goods and reducing extensive shipping networks. Every single element, from a small handful of ash to a large bucket of collected grease, finds a valuable new purpose, preventing it from becoming an unnecessary landfill burden. The overall impact extends beyond personal savings into broader community-wide waste reduction efforts, promoting a more circular economy, one meticulously repurposed soap bar at a time. The entire cycle ensures maximum utility from what others readily discard, proving that true enduring value often lies hidden in plain sight, what we overlook. A single 5-gallon bucket of discarded cooking grease could wash your family for over 6 months. This incredible journey into homemade soap production offers immense tangible benefits far beyond simple cleaning. The thick, warm trace of viscous paste is carefully transferred from its mixing vessel into various repurposed containers, now serving as molds, perhaps old milk cartons or sturdy plastic food tubs. This initial step immediately reduces household plastic waste by over 100 items annually for a single family alone, preventing those containers from ending up in a landfill. Each fresh nascent bar, typically weighing around 3 to 4 ounces, embarks on its most crucial transformation stage, the extensive curing period. This essential phase lasts typically between 6 and 8 full weeks, a patient, silent process where the raw soap sits undisturbed in a well-ventilated area. During this extended waiting period, every single bar undergoes significant internal changes. excess water content slowly evaporates, making the soap much harder and noticeably denser. A crucial step for long-term durability, ensuring each bar lasts significantly longer than many quickly dissolving store-bought alternatives. This hardening also allows the soap's natural alkalinity to gradually reduce, becoming far milder and gentler on skin, a vital quality for daily use. With each passing day, the saponification process fully completes, locking in the natural glycerin, a powerful humectant and moisturizer, created during the initial chemical reaction between the 10 pounds of grease and the powerful lye solution. That lye solution was carefully made from 2 pounds of clean hardwood ash, combined with 5 gallons of collected rainwater. One average batch consistently yields between 30 and 40 individual soap bars, providing a typical family of 4 with a self-sufficient supply for a solid 6 months, even stretching to 8 or 9 months with careful usage. This drastically cuts grocery expenses by at least $20 every single month, solely on soap purchases, summing up to annual household savings of over $240. The environmental upside is massive, actively diverting hundreds of pounds of organic waste from overflowing landfills each year and eliminating the need for countless new plastic bottles. The complete cycle from what others call trash to a fully functional, beneficial soap bar is an empowering testament to human ingenuity, proving enduring value can indeed be found everywhere. This resourceful method promotes a truly circular economy, reducing reliance on industrial manufacturing and extensive transportation networks, thereby significantly lowering a household's overall carbon footprint. The tactile satisfaction of using a product you personally transformed from discarded waste is unparalleled, offering a direct connection to sustainable living principles and fostering a practical skill for self-reliance that has been practiced for hundreds of years. Every meticulously crafted bar represents a tangible step towards a more resourceful and environmentally conscious lifestyle, minimizing unnecessary consumption and maximizing resource utility in every aspect of daily life for generations to come. This age-old practice empowers families to take control of their product sourcing and contribute to a healthier planet, one bar at a time.